Hi everyone, welcome to Sketching Fine Art. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick little sketch using my new fine liners that I got, the Sepia Derwent Graphik Fine Liners. And if you hear these odd noises in the background, that's just my little baby, six-month-old baby in the background, doing this recording with me. So that's the explanation for them sounds. So today I thought I'll just do a quick little sketch. It was only about a 5-minute sketch of a little whimsical house drawing using all three of these liners using the sepia colour, and it worked out really nice and smooth in my sketchbook. I started off using the 0.3 just to create the outline, the main outline and structure, to add a bit of cross-hatching in. And then I kind of slowly built this into a nice little drawing. But generally speaking, I mean, from the first couple of days of using these pens, I would recommend them. I think they're really good for the price point as well. I think they're quite accessible. I think they're fairly cheap. You can get some really expensive fine liners as well. But if you're just starting off in art and you just want a bit of practice, then I would say this is definitely a decent brand that you can get. And that's the baby confirming what I'm saying. So again, the sepia colour is just an absolute beautiful colour. I mean, I love this colour. I'm going to do a full piece on this, probably about 16 by 12 or maybe an A4 size piece, using the sepia along with the grey colour that I got. And if you haven't seen the unboxing of these pens and my grey, the graphite versions of these as well, then do check that out. There'll be a card popping up in the screen right about now probably, so if you just click on that, or just have a look at the video list on the channel, and then you can see that. But yeah, generally speaking, again, fine line work is just so much fun. I love doing ink work. It's just nice, easy and clean. You don't need to mess around with watercolors or pots of ink or anything like that. Using these fine liners, it just keeps it nice and clean. I mean, you can use old school materials like the nib and ink, and that can get a little bit messy, but I will do probably a video on that sometime in the future, which is really nice and therapeutic to use, I must say. It's one of them type of tools, old school tools that if you just want to relax and just enjoy a bit of time, I think it's a great exercise. But yeah, so if you've not ever used these fine liners before, if you want to get back into art, then I suggest you start off small, get yourself a sketchbook, just a cheap sketchbook which has decent paper in, get yourself maybe a couple of these fine liners, get yourself a decent pencil, and just start sketching away. You don't need to sit down and work through page by page of perfectly crafted artwork. You're just practicing. That's what a sketchbook is really for. And if you want to kind of develop your skill as well, then I'd suggest try out my 30-day sketch challenge. A card will hopefully pop up on the screen below to that. What I did was I did a 30-day challenge using just an iPad Pro. Sometimes I used like a normal pencil as well, just to draw everyday items, not bothered about the detail, how good it is. Literally just spent 5, 10, 15 minutes on drawing something every day to get back into the habit of drawing, and I found it really helped myself. I mean, I work as a full-time graphic designer and also as a part-time artist and illustrator, so I kind of pretty much draw every single day anyway, as part of my job. But generally, sometimes you just get into this kind of weird lull, if you like, where you just, you don't draw for a couple of days and you want to get back into it and you can't, you don't know where to start. And that's the baby saying, yep, I think that's exactly what she's saying. She's in a bit of a lull and she wants to draw. I forgot what I was saying now. Yeah, so you get into a bit of a lull, and sometimes you don't know what you want to draw, or the topics are too overwhelming or confusing. So I just suggest in that series, just draw everyday items that are just on your desk, or things that you use, like a bottle, or even your breakfast, or even your watch, whatever it is. Just draw every day, but get into the habit of doing it. So do check that out. It's quite an interesting series that I did, and I did manage to do it every single day for 30 days, so I was quite impressed with myself, and it really did help. It kind of gets you into the mood of drawing again, and it gets that excitement going. So do try that out. So I guess this video is coming to a close now. So what I did now was I just added in some lines with the 0.1, so I varied the line work to get a bit of contrast, and it works really nice. Again, I said this before in my last video, the 3-pack that you get on this particular model here, on this fine liners from Derwent, I think they're perfect. 0.1, 0.5 and 0.3, I think they work really well, so do try that one out. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. So take care of yourself, keep sketching, be happy, and peace.